Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding your site as a property and verifying ownership, so Search Console can access performance data. Choose domain for full coverage or URL prefix for specific protocol paths. This matters for aggregated reporting. Once added, pick a verification method you control, DNSTXD for full reliability, HTML file for CMS access, or GA tag if already in place. After you verify, give Google a few minutes to populate initial data, and then move straight to indexing checks. Once verified, inspect important pages to confirm how Google sees them. Use the URL inspection tool to fetch the live URL, review the rendered HTML, and check canonical and robots directives. This explains many indexing issues. If a page is crawlable and correct, request indexing to speed discovery. Meanwhile, monitor the coverage report to triage errors like 5XX, redirects, or Soft 404. Fix high-impact pages first so search visibility improves steadily. Wrap up by optimizing for search performance and fixing persistent issues. Use the performance report to find queries and pages with low CTR or drops in impressions, then improve title and meta snippets and internal links. Submit an XML sitemap and watch its indexing ratio. Resubmit after major site changes. If pages still fail, run a live test, confirm robots. TXD allows crawling, and examine server logs for rate limits. These steps resolve most stubborn indexing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.